Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura TL and Infiniti Q50. We'll look at their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Acura TL is known for its refined comfort and reliability, making it a great daily driver. In contrast, the Infiniti Q50 often appeals to those seeking a more dynamic and engaging performance, with powerful engine options. Moving inside, the Acura TL typically provides a spacious and intuitive cabin, focusing on ease of use and passenger comfort. The Infiniti Q50, however, often boasts a more contemporary and luxurious interior, with advanced technology and premium materials. Both vehicles offer impressive features, but their approaches to interior design and tech integration differ. When considering long-term ownership, the Acura TL has a strong reputation for reliability and lower maintenance costs, often leading to excellent resale value. The Infiniti Q50 also holds its value well, especially models with desirable features and performance upgrades. Both are solid choices, but their ownership experiences can differ slightly in terms of typical upkeep. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you value a smooth, quiet ride and proven reliability, the Acura TL is an excellent option. But if you prefer a more exhilarating drive with sharper handling and a sportier feel, the Infiniti Q50 might be the better fit. Both cars offer distinct advantages, so consider what matters most to you. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.